1, 2, 3, 4.
What did he say?
Okay, yo, what up guys? Welcome to Tech Byte Repairs. Alright, today Windows 11 just launched on their official website. So today we're gonna test it out. So I'm gonna teach you and also review how the Windows 11 looks like, alright? So what you have to do is open your Google Chrome, Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Alright, so and then now go to download Windows 11. So as you can see here, there is Windows 11 installation assistant. If you are a beginner, maybe you can download this lah. It will be easier for you. If not, you can download this create Windows 11 installation media, which is what we all do. Like for computer professional, we usually use this Windows 11 installation media lah. So what you have to do is download this, and it'll download. So I'm using IDM. If you are using a normal download thingy, it will come down here lah, around at the bottom left. Or you can press Ctrl J on your Google Chrome to see the downloads of your folder lah. So since I'm using IDM, it doesn't matter. So now you're gonna open the folder. So as you can see here, there's a media creation tool here. So we open it up, press on yes. So getting Windows, a few things ready. Alright, now next step is to press accept. Language and Windows edition is as usual, English United States, and use this recommended option for this PC lah. And then you can choose either ISO file or USB flash drive. So you have to have a USB drive, at least 8GB. I recommend 16GB because sometimes 8GB isn't sufficient enough, because I personally had problem with 8GB pen drives. So opt for 16GB pen drives lah. Like this one here, this one is an 8GB drive. Press on next. Okay, we can't find a USB, so now is the time to plug in the USB. Alright, after plugging in, refresh the drive list. Okay, as you can see here, Kingston Drive D. Next. Okay, now it starts loading. We have to wait until it finish loads. Oops, sorry, I forgot to remind you guys. So before installing Windows 10, you have to check your system requirement. You need to make sure if your computer really supports Windows 11. So in order to do that, click the link in my bio. There's a PC health checker there. Download it, and it will show is your PC compatible for installing Windows 11. So when I was checking my PC compatibility, I ran into this problem, which is the PC must support TPM 2.0 and the PC must support secure boot. Okay, so in order to do that, you need to access to your motherboard's BIOS. So let me show you how I did it right now. In order to enable TPM 2.0 and BIOS UEFI, you have to boot into your BIOS. So I'm using ASRock, so F2 is the key to unlock my BIOS. Alright, after that, you should go to your advanced setting and go into your CPU configurations. After that, go down here. As you can see here, AMD FTPM switch. So usually it will be on disable. So what you have to do is AMD CPU FTPM. Whatever it is, FTPM is the keyword. So click on FTPM. So go back, and also for the UEFI, you go to boot and you go to your CSM compatibility, or if you have an option to change from legacy here to BIOS, change it on here lah. But my motherboard has a different way to do it. You have to go to our CSM compatibility support and click on it. So CSM is enabled. As you can see here, CSM is enabled. So we have to disable it, and boom. So we have settled the TPM and UEFI problem. So after doing it, you have to go to your boot menu. In case in my BIOS it's F11 key. So as you can see here, Kingston Data Traveler is my pen drive. So the pen drive we install our Windows 11. So Toshiba is my hard drive, and this is my pen drive. So now I have to access my pen drive. Alright, so the Windows 11's installation setup is here. So as you can see here, the Windows logo is different. Almost everything is still the same except for the Windows logo. So as you can see here, you can select the language to install, English, United States. Time and currency, you will select English but Malaysia. Since I'm living in Malaysia, so I'll click on Malaysia. Click on next and click on install now. And you can see here Windows 11 home, click on next. Accept the Microsoft license and I'm authorized. So as you can see here, you have two options here: upgrade and install, and custom and install. So custom is upgrade is for those who wanna update only. They don't want their files to get disappeared or deleted. Custom is for them who want a clean format and install Windows 10. For those who want to format their PC, clean installation, click on customs. As you can see here, there are many partition here. You can just delete them all. Delete. Alright, so I'm not gonna delete because I have some important files into it already booted and all. Alright, and then after deleting, click on next. Okay, so after deleting, you will only left with one drive here, drive 0 and partition 1, I assume. Then click on it and click on next. Alright, so as you can see here, the Windows 11 just booted. So the interface is quite new, quite impressive. The previous Windows 10's interface is really boring, and now it's way more better than it was before. So yes, I'm from Malaysia. Click yes. Wait for it to load. Alright, I use US keyboard system. No, I don't use another keyboard layout. Alright, welcome back. Alright, so the perfect place for your files. Manage your files explorer, including files you saved in the iCloud with OneDrive. So they are again and again promoting their OneDrive folders and all. And not bad. This looks very nice. Okay, this interface here looks super cool, guys. I'm not even kidding. So as you can see here, damn, this is nice. This is nice, bro. Like the downloads icon, the documents icon. This looks very class. And what else? Let's see the properties.
Right. So
we try to open settings. Alright, as you can see here, the setting apps is cool looking now. Everything is systematized. As you can see here, Windows is not activated, your name is here, all of your Google ecosystem is already up to date here. This option, okay, this option is really cool. So as you can see here, you have personalization. So I'm really into dark mode. So bro, this is nice, bro. This is nice. And we try this. Alright, bro, way better. Alright, so I recommend Windows 11's aesthetic. This is really good. I like how systematized the things are, easier to find. So let's see our task manager. Alright, so another thing to be noticed is the rounded corners. So before this it was pointy edge and all, so now it's rough corners. And as you can see here, most of it is still the same. If I expand it, it's still the same. Yeah, let's see the command prompt, how the command prompt looks like. Command prompt. Alright. testing out the TikTok here. So yeah, here you go, your apps, your TikTok is on your PC now. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Alright, as a conclusion, what I would say is Windows majorly improved on their aesthetic parts and performance parts. I'm not sure yet because I haven't tested. So if there's any update, I'll sure update on my TikTok. So follow my TikTok, the link is in my bio. And thank you guys for watching. So please subscribe for more contents like this. Alright, thank you guys.